So we'll go ahead and pair it up again. It's paired. So it went solid again, as you can see. Now we have these directions that we can change the seek bars. As you can see right here on the serial COM, that I just have this little message that comes up and just says start RATBT robotic robot. So let's go ahead and show you one of the seek bar directions. So as soon as I touch here, it's going to tell me that, alright, it's going in the right direction, and we're going to set the robot to go at a speed of 61, or that's basically what it's going to send to the MotoClaw driver, which is going to control the speed of the motors. So 100 should be max, so we're sending 60 to it. So data confirmed. As you can see, it's basically, it did a step up. So little by little it just kind of ramped up to the correct value that it wanted. So it ramped up to 60. So basically I set up I set this up so every time you change it, it would ramp down the last value and then ramp up the new value. Another neat thing too is that when you select one of the seek bars, it will actually set the other seek bar back to default. So now let's go forward and we'll set the speed up to 68, and then you'll start to see this ramp down. So we did a forward up, but before it did the forward up, it did a right down. So it ramped down the right direction until it got down to 0, and then it started ramping up the forward direction. So I'll show you that. We'll go now to we'll do that now in the reverse direction. So you can see that it did a ramp down, and then it did a ramp up again. As we set to 64, and you can see right there it says 64. I don't know if you can see the 64 there, but so I have it set up so it ramps up every 10 milliseconds. I don't know if that's too fast for the MotoClaw to read, but that's just something I'll have to kind of play around with, or have looked at to see if that actually will work correctly. Let's see here. Let me show you. Had to get to focus there. So it did the forward down, and then it started doing the backward up. So you could see that it ramped down forward so it could go in reverse. The reason I did it that way was because, you know, if the robot was kind of chugging along pretty quick, I didn't really want it so it would just immediately stop and then just go the other way. I wanted it to slowly progress down and then move the other direction. So let me show you the other direction here. So you can see set left direction, data confirmed, and it starts to ramp. So that's seems to be fully functional, and you know, and then the nice thing too is that if it is set, and you know, you turn off the you turn everything off, I have it default back to direction off when it closes the socket again. So that should be it. Thank you.